This is the AEQ SQRD pod device kit. It's a convenient, cost-effective and easy to use device. The AEQ SQRD delivers all-round performance at an affordable price. Exclusive to VPZ, the SQRD is a pocket-friendly, all-day device that has one purpose: provide the ultimate compact vaping experience. Featuring the latest draw activation technology, refillable leak-proof pods and a 650 mAh battery. Inside the box, you have the AEQ SQRD device, your charging cable, and pre-fitted is the 2mm capacity pod. Also in the box is your product manual. Very simple to fill. A tab on the side is liftable. Pour in your choice of e-liquid. Remove the protective sticker from the bottom. Reinsert. You wait 5 minutes or so to allow the liquid to soak into the pod, and then it will be ready to use. Charging is convenient by the USB-C charging port on the bottom of the device. If you're looking for a device that's suitable for 50/50 e-liquids, look no further. We'd recommend using the self-juice e-liquid, as the AEQ SQRD was designed specifically with them in mind.